أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Who invented the power loom? Right. Cartwright developed the power loom, which is the main instrument of textile industry. Hitler was honored with the award of Hitler was honored with the award of Iron Cross. In April 1940, Germany captured Denmark. In April 1940, Germany captured the Denmark. Who had the shortest tenure as a Governor-General of Pakistan? Iskandar Mirza. Iskandar Mirza has the shortest tenure as a Governor-General of Pakistan. The Baghdad Pact took place in 1955. The Baghdad Pact signed in 1955. First Pakistani Prime Minister who visited China. Hussain Shahid Sarwardi was the first Pakistani Prime Minister who visited China. First railway line in Pakistan was laid between Karachi and Kotri. First railway line in Pakistan was laid between Karachi and Kotri. Book Indian Muslims published in 1871 was written by William Wilson Hunter written the famous book Indian Muslims. Dash was the first wife of Quaid-e-Azam. She was the first wife of Quaid-e-Azam. Swat Valley is situated in the mountain range of Hindu Kush. Swat Mountains, yes, Swat Valley is situated in the mountain range of Hindu Kush. Who is also known as Napoleon of India? Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan is famous as a Napoleon of India. Think and Grow Rich book is written by Napoleon Hill. Think and Grow Rich book is written by Napoleon Hill. Possum, England is the place associated with horse racing. Possum, England is the place associated with horse racing. Which city became world's highest baseball field? Skardu became world's highest baseball field. World's longest seawall is located in which country? South Korea. World's longest seawall is located in South Korea. When United Nations officially came into existence? 24th October 1945. United Nations officially came into existence. Which is the major greenhouse gases emitting country? China is a major greenhouse gases emitting country. Warsaw Pact was signed in May 1955. Warsaw Pact was signed 14th May 1955. Was the CM of Balochistan having shortest time in office? Mcqs was CM of Balochistan having the shortest time in office. The Faz Mahal is located in Khair. The famous building Faz Mahal is located in Khair. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Dash in the first battle of Panipat in 1526. The famous battle, first battle of Panipat, Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by. And second battle, Hemu was defeated. Which one is the largest canal in Pakistan? North is the largest canal in Pakistan, Sindh. It is called Valley of Flower. Valley of Flower famous by Peshawar is famous as Valley of Flowers. National flag of Pakistan was designed by Kidwai. The famous national flag of Pakistan was designed by Amiruddin Kidwai. The national anthem of Pakistan was written by Hafiz Jalandhari, and the tune set by national anthem by Ahmad Ghulam Ali Chawla. The crescent in Pakistani flag represent. Thank you very much. Kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.